Imagine a valley so breathtaking that it feels like a dream. Towering cliffs, emerald green meadows, and the soothing sounds of 72 waterfalls make Lauterbrunnen a natural paradise. Welcome to one of Switzerland's most picturesque destinations, where every corner is an invitation to explore. Let's dive into the beauty and charm of Lauterbrunnen Valley. Lauterbrunnen Valley, often called the Valley of Waterfalls, is a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps. It's a destination that promises awe-inspiring views and serene escapes, perfect for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Stay with us as we uncover the magic of this enchanting valley. Lauterbrunnen's name originates from the German words Lauter, meaning many, and Brunnen, meaning springs, aptly describing the valley's abundance of waterfalls. This picturesque location has attracted visitors for centuries, inspiring artists, poets, and even filmmakers. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe's visit in 1779 inspired his famous poem, Spirit's Song Over the Waters. Lauterbrunnen's timeless beauty and serene environment have made it a haven for those seeking inspiration and tranquility. Top waterfalls and attractions. Lauterbrunnen is truly a valley of wonders, with 72 waterfalls creating a symphony of nature. Staubbach Falls. Standing at nearly 300 meters, it's one of Europe's highest free-falling waterfalls. The mist from this cascade creates a magical ambiance. Trümmelbach Falls. Hidden inside a mountain, this series of 10 glacial waterfalls carries the meltwater of the Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau. A tunnel lift makes these thundering falls accessible. Murenbach Falls, Switzerland's tallest waterfall, plunging 417 meters down sheer cliffs, offering a dramatic display of nature's power. In addition to its iconic waterfalls, Lauterbrunnen serves as a gateway to charming alpine villages like Wengen and Mürren, and thrilling attractions such as the Schilthorn and Jungfraujoch, top of Europe.